forest burns with the rage untamed, while rivers rise with no one to blame. Australia to California skies, ashes fall and flood waters rise. Deep beneath the ocean floor, a wave is born, it starts to roar. Japan to Indonesia's shore, it comes with force and leaves no more. When the earth cries, we must stand tall, hold each other through it all, rebuild the hope that storms have tossed, find strength in love, count not just loss. The world will turn, the winds will blow, but we rise stronger from the wall. Together we heal, hand in hand. When the earth cries, we understand.